Good morning, this is Dan from Meraki. Today we're making a mushroom congee. Congee is a form of rice porridge from Asia, and it's very diverse in body and garnish. I know you'll enjoy this for breakfast, lunch, or even as a light dinner. We will need 6 shiitake mushrooms, 6 oyster mushrooms, 1 scallion, 1 cup of broken rice, 4 cloves of garlic, a 2-inch by 2-inch knob of ginger, 3 chili peppers, some chili oil, sesame seeds, soy sauce, and some sesame oil. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut our garlic lengthwise, widthwise, and then slice. And then we're going to put it into a bowl. Next we're going to take our knob of ginger and we're going to peel it with a spoon. This is the easiest way, but you can cut it with a knife if you're not comfortable doing so. But just give it a try. I promise you, you'll love it. You'll be screaming my name every time you peel ginger. We're going to cut our ginger into slices, and then we're going to stack them up. We're going to cut lengthwise, and then widthwise, and then into little cubes. Once they're all cut up, we're going to put half our ginger in with our garlic, and we're going to save the rest as a garnish. Now it's time for our shiitakes. The ends are already cut off, these ones, so all I'm going to do is slice. I'm going to cut them a little bit thicker so they don't break down too much in the pot. Very easy, very simple, and it'll be done very quick. Put them into the bowl. For our oyster mushrooms, we're going to cut off the ends if they have them, and then we're going to slice just as thick as we did the shiitake mushrooms. Then we're just going to toss them into our mushroom bowl. Next, we're going to heat up some vegetable oil in a pot, and then we are going to add in our garlic and ginger. We're just stirring till aromatic. This should be about 30 seconds or so. Now, time to add our broken rice. We're just going to toss it in the pot, give it a couple of stirs, and then we're going to throw in the water. We're going to add about 10 cups of water. Now, I know it seems like a lot, but it's going to be on this stove for about 45 minutes simmering, so a lot of water is going to evaporate. Bring to a boil, and then we're going to bring to a simmer. Now I'm going to add the mushrooms. A lot of different people add the mushrooms at different times, depending on the recipes they're used to. I find this a great time to add them. Now we're just going to give them a little stir to hydrate both sides, and then we're going to put on a lid. Check the water level after 30 minutes, but it should be ready in about 45. For our scallion, we're going to cut the end off, and we're just going to slice. This is going to be a garnish again, so we're going to put it with the ginger. Obviously a full scallion is not going to be needed, but I like to put a lot of onions in mine, so I'm going to chop up this whole thing and I'm going to throw the rest in the freezer. Maybe make an omelet tomorrow morning or something, I don't know yet. Now that we're done cutting, we're going to put them into a plate with our garnishing ginger. Time to slice our chili peppers. I have the worst luck with these things. I tell you, every time it's time to slice these things, I always gotta touch my eyeball or I gotta go to the bathroom. It's the worst, I tell you. We're just going to cut them thinly and put them into our garnishing plate with our ginger and our scallions. Don't touch your eyes or your private parts. After about 45 minutes of simmering, our congee is ready. But it will seem really dull and lifeless if you just eat it like this. So we take our garnish plate and add everything we like. And then you have this amazing breakfast, lunch, or light dinner. Aromatic, tasty, and just so good for you.